Welcome to this quick introduction to the new Bravo Assist within the BRAVOZONE. I'm using the Dash template, but the process is similar for all the games. One way to create content quickly is by using the Bravo Assist button here. I'm going to go ahead and choose Bravo Assist. And you have a few different options here of where you want to grab your content from. And what I'm going to do is grab a very specific source of information I want to use, which is a document that I have on my computer, and that happens to be in a PDF file format, but you can use other formats. Choose File, select My Content, then over here to the right, how many questions do I want to create? Well, I want to go ahead and create 15 questions. And then by default, it's going to select multiple choices, but you can also create other types of content specific to that session you're using. And I'm going to go ahead and create questions. It's now finished, and now Bravo Assist is giving me some suggestions for content. It is your job now to go through it, see if you like the content, or if you need to make some minor edits. And if you don't like something, simply unselect it. Once you're satisfied with your selection and you want to add it, go ahead and hit Next. And then you can either add it to your session, which is what I want to do, or add it to your library, or both. Hit Finish, and you're done. Now you can go ahead and edit your content if you so choose. I want to show you now the Bravo Assist that shows up in the question editor itself. When you click on it, you're going to notice three options: clean up text, create question, create image. I'm going to start with create question. And here I can enter three different things. I can enter a website, I can put in a simple question to pull questions from, or I can really drill down from content that I trust and say, create a question from this paragraph. And that's what I'm going to do. You can choose what type of question type you want. I'll keep it to multiple choice and hit create question. Well, what will happen when you're done, it will give you the option, do you want to keep that information, or that paragraph in this case, and add it to the summary slides so you can review the content afterwards? I'm going to say yes. And what you want to do here then is just look at the question, see if you like the content. You can also edit it according to OSHA and just simply make this a question. And I'm going to go ahead and just demonstrate the Bravo Assist here, the cleanup text. And it's going to correct my text, make sure everything's proper. And I'm going to hit save. Also, you can customize AI images for your content and just click on create image, and it will add an image to your question itself. Again, the more descriptive you are with your AI information, the better the content's going to be. You can also customize your avatar using Bravo Assist. Customize, and again, put in the description here. So I can go ahead and enter description. Now I've copied and pasted one. The more descriptive you are, the better content you're going to get. And come down here, you can generate another one if you want to see another option, or go ahead and save this one. Well, you can see how Bravo Assist can be a helpful tool to create content. Use this feature for entire presentations or when you just want to polish any given session. Either way, you'll find Bravo easier to use. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com.